Okay, this is part 2. I'm milling that same piece of walnut plank, and boy, the coloration on this is just amazing. I got a little hot spot around in here from the overhead lighting. I'm running 5000K bulbs in this shop. That way I can take a look at the color. But this will be the side that I go with, and I'll make the resaw from 1.5 down to basically a scant of a 3/4 on both sides, and then flip it over, and I think you'll see some of this same character for a tabletop I'm making. So I just want to show that to you. Wow. I don't know how old this wood is. Probably at least 45, 50 years. Of course, some of the sapwood is not. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Good night. Bye-bye.